Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming where your SSO lives and why you need it. Open the official login portal for your organization. Once done, use your work or school email to attempt sign-in. If prompted, choose the identity provider option or single sign-on link rather than creating a new account. Make sure to note any provider name shown, Azure AD, Okta, or Google Workspace, because that tells you where to fetch the actual SSO identifier. Once signed in, navigate directly to your profile or account settings. You want sections labeled Security, Identity, or Profile. Look for fields named SSO ID, Federated ID, Username, or Unique Identifier. These often appear under Account Details or Authentication settings. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, complete it. The system may reveal identifiers only after additional verification. If you see a long finish by confirming the identifier works, log out and sign in again using the SSO path or paste the value where required. If the identifier fails, make sure you copied it exactly, then try clearing browser cache or using an incognito window. If problems persist, contact your IT or identity admin and provide the provider name, the SSO ID, and a screenshot if allowed. For most errors, verifying MFA devices and browser extensions resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.